Yeah, he wanted me to tell you guys that that particle accelerator that we have at CERN, we're we'll be able to put a slicer in there to start slicing these particles and entangling them, and then we'll figure out how to store them so that we get them in lots. And once we got them in lots, we will be able to do manufacturing. Unfortunately, the one we have built is going to handle very small amounts, and it's going to take forever to get a enough to make processors for two. But we can get started on it, and then we'll build the center one, which will mass produce this stuff, and we'll have entangled material enough to do processor every day, and it will or more, he says, and then we can start building all the other cool stuff. So, but we need to be able to get the entangled raw material made and get that made into a processor for a computer, I guess he's saying. I'm mechanical, but I'm not I'm not a tech guy. But supposedly, if the processors are made out of raw materials that are entangled, what happens on the one will happen on the other. So, not really sure how that's all working, but he says it is, and I guess you guys are the real geniuses at it. I'm just a middleman here with some info. But definitely have to tear out all those expensive cameras, he said. That's not even anything right. There's so much more going on that than you guys even realize. And all you're doing is popping atoms, guys, which is getting nothing accomplished. So, just a FYI, he wanted to make sure that course correction does go into effect right away because we need those entangled property material. And I don't know if you guys know what to use to split it. He said that I might be able to help you on that. I don't. He hasn't said anything to me yet about it, but maybe you guys can figure that out. I don't know because it has to be split and remain entangled on the other side. So I don't know. I don't know. You guys know. You guys should know. Anyway, yeah. And then we build on that. Because, yeah, eventually we're going to have the whole computer board and everything made off of entangled property materials. If we're going to do the transfer of raw materials, like sending a pipe wrench from here to there kind of thing, we'll have to have everything made out of entangled raw materials. But, yeah, it's definitely in the realm of possibilities. So, just wanted to let you know. If you guys are working on it or not, I don't know. I don't know much about the outside world, but I'm going to learn more. I'm going out and do it tomorrow. I doubt I'd learn anything about that tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, good luck with all that, as it is the future of us as a species. We are going to eventually have to get off this planet. It will die eventually. We'll have to be elsewhere. That's the big plan. Okay, that's the long-term picture, though. Trust me. It'll probably still be around for that 2,000-year king, but it's going to be rough here then, for sure. Yeah, it's going to be rough. A little hot. A little hot. Be back.